Okay, so these are the cabinets spray painted, and you know how you can tell? Because I got overspray on the ceiling tiles, but it doesn't matter because their ceiling tiles are going to be painted anyway, so it's fine. So you can kind of notice this is the old pink and this is the new pink, so it's much brighter, and this has a little bit of a gloss to it. And I just went ahead and did the cabinets in pink as well, and changed the insides from green to pink. So I'm gonna do some decoupage and some stenciling so it'll look great. And here's that wall. Um, you can kind of see where I sprayed once again, overspray, but the wall looks really nice. And I just painted this maybe an hour ago, so the paint is pretty much dry to the touch. And then, even though it looked kind of wet and icky when I was, first put it on, it's drying to a really nice finish. So that is our paint sprayer adventures for today. Ta-da!